I want to introduce a strategy when you're solving an equation, so something with an equal sign that has fractions. A really good idea, no matter what the situation, if you see an equation with the fraction, multiply both sides by the denominator. So in this case, I have a denominator of 3, so I'm going to multiply both sides by the number 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Don't let this seem difficult when I distribute this through. When you are multiplying by a fraction, you are really dividing by the denominator and multiplying by the numerator. So let's try that. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Okay, then 3 times y is 3y. This equation looks much easier to solve now that all the fractions are gone. So letters on one side, numbers on the other. I'm going to get rid of a positive 2 by subtracting. That gives me 10 is equal to 3y. Finally, get rid of multiply by 3, divide by 3, and my final answer is y equals 10 over 3. This is a fantastic final answer, an improper fraction. There's nothing wrong with it, but if you wanted to, you could change it to a mixed number. Okay, here, I do have two denominators to consider, both 8 and 4. So I'm going to multiply by a number they both fit into. If you get really stuck, you could just take 8 times 4 and multiply both sides by 32. But ideally, you want to pick the smallest number. So a number that both 8 and 4 fit into is 8. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equal sign by 8. I'm going to distribute this through. 8 multiplied by y is 8y. Now when you multiply 8 times negative 7/8, a positive times a negative is a negative. And thinking about multiplying by a fraction, again, it's really dividing by the denominator and multiplying by the numerator. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. So I have minus 7. Let's do that again. When you multiply a number times a fraction, you are dividing by the denominator and multiplying by the numerator. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Negative times positive is negative, so I have negative 6. All of my fractions are gone. So next, letters on one side, numbers on the other. I'm going to move this minus 7 by adding 7. What I do to one side, I do to the other, leaving me with 8y is equal to, if you owe somebody $6 and you have 7, you can give them 6 and you still have 1. Okay, finally, get rid of multiply by 8. So I'm going to divide by 8. And so y is equal to 1/8. Big picture, anytime your equation, something with an equal sign, has a fraction in it, a great first step is to multiply both sides by the denominator, or if there's multiple denominators, multiply by something they both fit into.